Now students, let us start the discussion of section B of your question paper, in which the first question is question number 3 from the chemistry section. This question has internal choice, and the first choice is how it can be proved that the basic structure of the modern periodic table is based on electronic configuration of atoms of different elements. It can be answered in this way. We can write here that the electronic configuration is the distribution of electrons into shells. We know that electrons are distributed in different shells: K shell, L shell, M shell and N shell. We distribute electrons in these shells, that results in electronic configuration. Elements, when arranged in order of increasing atomic number, it leads to the classification that is known as modern periodic table. And on this way we can say that modern periodic table is based on the electronic configuration of atoms of different elements. We can also specify it by writing that the groups in the modern periodic table signify an identical outer shell electronic configuration, while if we talk about the period, these indicates the number of shells in which electrons are filled. I hope you have written this answer in this similar manner, and if you are writing this way, you will get 2 marks for this reason. I hope this is clear to you. Now, after this, another choice is there in this question. The electronic configuration of an element is 284. State its group and period in the modern periodic table. Name and write its one physical property. In this case, on the basis of electronic configuration, you are just going to provide the position to this element in the modern periodic table. It means you are just going to specify its group number and the period number. Along with that, you have to mention its name and write its one physical property. You can answer this question by simply writing first part, that is to identify the group and period number. You can write it that it is the element of group 14 and period 3. Why it is so? If you look at the electronic configuration, you will see this is 284. It means 3 shells are involved there, and number of shells will give you the number of period. That's why it is the element of third period. While for the number of group, you have to focus on the number of valence electron. 4 electrons are there in the valence shell, and that is why this is the element which is present here in group 14. After that, its second part, just give its name and write its one physical property. Configuration is given 284, it means its atomic number is 14, and if its atomic number is 14, it is silicon. So you can write its answer as that element with electronic configuration 284 is silicon, because atomic number is 14, and its property you have to mention. So it is a metalloid because it exhibits properties of both metals and non-metals. So its name I have written here, as well as I have given here its property also. For this part, you will get 1 mark, and for the previous part, the part A, you will also get 1 mark here. Total 2 marks you will be getting for this question also. I hope this question is clear to you. Now, let's move on to the next question.